Hello everyone. It's good to have you back. Thanks for always dropping by. Today, we will be diving into the world of Abacha with this simple recipe. Ingredients: dry Abacha, cowhide pomo, stockfish, crayfish, onions, red oil, salt, seasoning nor, fresh pepper, black pepper, utazi. Procedure: wash the pomo very well. Cut and season with half cube of nor, salt, onions, and black pepper. Set on heat and allow to cook very well. Wash and add the stockfish to the pomo and allow it to cook along. Soak the dry Abacha in warm water for a while. Do not allow it to over-soak. Rinse and keep in a sieve. Cut the onions and utazi and set aside. Also grind the fresh pepper and crayfish and set aside. Once the pomo is cooked, set it aside. Set a pot on heat and allow to dry. Add the red oil and allow to heat a bit. Add some salt and some of the chopped onions and stir. Add the fresh pepper and stir for a while. Add the crayfish and stir. Add the pomo and stockfish and allow to boil for a while. Taste for salt. Finally, add the already soaked Abacha and turn thoroughly. Allow it to fry for a while. Taste for salt and turn off the heat. Dish and add the utazi and the remaining chopped onions. Sprinkle the black pepper on it too and serve. Health benefits. Abacha contains antioxidants that help protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. Abacha is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help promote digestive health and support healthy blood sugar levels. The fiber and antioxidants in Abacha may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Abacha contains prebiotic fiber that can help support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. The fiber and antioxidants in Abacha may help slow down the absorption of sugar and support healthy blood sugar levels. Abacha is a good source of vitamins A, C and K, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. The antioxidants and vitamins in Abacha may help protect the skin against damage and support healthy skin aging. The vitamins and minerals in Abacha may help promote healthy hair and nail growth. Pomo offers several health benefits including high protein, collagen and minerals supporting healthy joints, bones, hair and nails and potentially reducing inflammation. Stockfish also provides numerous health benefits including high protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals supporting heart health, brain function and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. May I know in the comments section if you have tried this fried Abacha recipe before. Also, please like, comment, and share to your friends. Also subscribe if you haven't to keep updated for more juicy simple recipes. Bye.